How do you follow a hashtag or a post or a person on Mastodon? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can basically follow people on Mastodon. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically there are two ways that you can do this. One is that you can either log in from the Mastodon application over here, but there are very limited features on the Mastodon application. So instead I'm going to be using my browser in this case. So you want to open up your browser, go to mastodon.social, mastodon.jp, or whatever service that you choose. Once you log into the account, you're going to see this type of interface, and right on the home page you'll find a little follow button that you can see that says you to and asks you to at least follow 7 people. So you want to make sure to just tap the follow button here. Once you tap the follow button, in order to follow a specific creator over here, all you need to do is just hit the little plus icon on the right hand side right next to that specific creator in order to follow that person. So you can just choose a list of at least a minimum of 7 people here, and then after you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and successfully follow them. Now next time whenever you refresh your account in the app or in the browser, you're going to get recommended posts from those people and the recommended hashtags as well. So that is basically it for today's video on how you can follow on Mastodon. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.